GoTo Resolve is a powerful IT support tool that promises to streamline operations for businesses of all sizes. But how well does it deliver on that promise? Let's dive into its features, see what it does well, and what could use some improvement, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. First, GoTo Resolve allows for remote access, which is a game changer for businesses needing to provide tech support on the go. Whether your team works remotely or in the office, you can connect to any computer with a few clicks, saving time and resources. This eliminates the need for IT teams to be physically present to solve problems, allowing for quicker resolutions. Next thing, the real-time diagnostics feature. GoTo Resolve gives IT support professionals the ability to instantly assess and troubleshoot any issues on a machine without interrupting the user. This is extremely helpful for businesses where time is money and downtime can be costly. But the speed and accuracy of the diagnostics can sometimes be hit or miss. While it's usually effective, there are moments when the software could do a better job in pinpointing complex issues quickly. The third thing that sets GoTo Resolve apart is its integrations. The platform connects seamlessly with other tools like ticketing systems, CRM platforms, and more. This creates a unified ecosystem for your IT support. It works well when integrated with other tools, but if you're not using compatible software, the integration process can be a bit cumbersome and time-consuming. Another feature that stands out is the multi-session support. If multiple devices need help simultaneously, GoTo Resolve lets you handle them all in one dashboard, making it easier to manage multiple support requests. However, the user interface isn't always as intuitive as you might expect, especially for new users. There's a bit of a learning curve to get comfortable with everything. Now, the fifth thing, security. GoTo Resolve has built-in encryption for all remote sessions, which ensures that your business's sensitive data stays safe. But while the encryption is strong, some users report issues with authentication processes, which can be a bit of a headache, especially when dealing with large teams or high-security environments. And lastly, the pricing. GoTo Resolve is competitive in terms of cost, but it's not the most affordable option out there. For smaller businesses or startups, the subscription fees might feel a bit steep, especially when compared to other platforms that offer similar capabilities at a lower price point. So, is GoTo Resolve the best IT support software out there for your business? Well, it does offer some fantastic features, but it's not without its flaws. If you're looking for a solution with seamless remote access and solid integrations, GoTo Resolve could be a good fit, but it might not be the most cost-effective option in the long run. But here's the thing, while GoTo Resolve is a solid choice, there are alternatives out there that offer even more features and better pricing options for businesses that need to streamline their IT support. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial for GoTo Resolve, plus some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. And don't worry, I've also highlighted some alternatives that could work better for your needs. You'll get a better deal, and these alternatives also come with free trials to help you make the best choice. Check out the links below, and make sure to try them out for yourself before making a final decision.